Hello. The purpose of this video is to demonstrate how to create a new schematic symbol using Symbol Builder. Before we begin, it is assumed that you have some familiarity with AutoCAD and have created symbols or blocks from basic geometry. It is also assumed that you know the basics of AutoCAD Electrical. If this is not the case, then you should stop now and start with learning the basics of AutoCAD Electrical. I am using AutoCAD Electrical 2014 for this demonstration, but this procedure works the same with earlier versions. Smart symbols provide a designer the ability to add intelligence to a design. This enables the extraction of data from completed designs for bills of material, for tags, for charts, for parent-child references, and more. It also allows you to link a schematic symbol with a panel symbol. It is a best practice to create all of the symbol's geometry, including text, in model space. A new symbol can be created from existing geometry, an existing block, or by launching Symbol Builder without selecting any objects and building the symbol from scratch. For this demonstration, I will create a parent and a child symbol. I will create a schematic symbol by using a 0.5 or half-inch square cube with a diagonal line from corner to corner. This cube and line are not part of the finished symbol, but are used as a guide for the placement of geometry and attributes. As you create your symbol, keep in mind how you want to place the symbol in a schematic. Is it a horizontal or a vertical placement? How many wire termination points will it need? What information needs to be displayed and where? What directions do wires attach to the symbol from? What links would you need to make to other symbols? The symbol I am creating is a double pole single throw toggle switch. It has two parts, the parent and the child. The geometry for this symbol is the same for both parts, just the attributes change. A parent symbol is the symbol that will be assigned the ID tag or tag 1 attribute, the description, the catalog, and other information. The child symbol will not carry the catalog information, and its ID tag attribute is labeled tag 2. Sometimes a symbol like a VFD is very complex and is better broken down into multiple pieces. A symbol can have only one parent, but can have many children. Symbol Builder can be launched from the AutoCAD command line by typing AE Sim Builder, by selecting the Symbol Builder icon from the Schematic or Panel ribbon tab, by selecting the Symbol Builder icon from a toolbar, or from the Components Symbol Library menu. Once the Symbol Builder is launched, you must make some basic selections or accept the defaults. I will select horizontal parent, then the objects I want for the symbol, pick the insertion point, and then select OK. The block editor will open and the ribbon will change and two new palettes will appear. The attribute palette is where you get to select the attributes you want associated with this symbol. It is these attributes that enable the symbol to be a smart symbol. Note how the attributes are different in the attribute palette from the attributes used when creating a panel footprint. Some attributes should be on all symbols like tag 1, INST, LOC, CAT, MFG, description 1, and description 2. The other attributes are optional though useful, like description 3, ratings 1 through ratings 10, color, state, and WD Alt tag. It is important to note that you can create a symbol that has no attributes at all, and if you insert or edit the symbol without attributes, the editor will add the information from the catalog and the dialog box as X data. Attributes are easier to work with than the X data, especially at a later date. Termination attributes serve multiple purposes. They provide all the information about each termination point a device needs and serve to tell AutoCAD Electrical how and where to break lines for wires. Termination attributes are also keyed to direction from which the wires flow. If you link to the left, you want a left terminal. If you link to the right, you need the right terminal attribute. Place a link attribute at or below the insertion point of the parent symbol. The link attribute is what you attach a link line to when connecting a parent and a child with the link function. Now that we have our geometry and attributes in place, we can delete the guide cube lines from the symbol. Once all of the edits and additions have been made, it is time to save the symbol. Select Done from the Symbol Builder ribbon tab. Naming the symbol follows a specific format. The first character determines orientation of the symbol. H means it's a horizontal symbol, or V, it is a vertical symbol. The horizontal or vertical is the orientation of the wire line in which it is being inserted upon. The following alpha characters indicate the family. In this case, SW equals switches. The family is also the table where this device will be found in the catalog. The number following the family identifier designates type. 1 equals a parent symbol, 2 equals a child symbol. This is followed by an underline and a unique identifier. In this case, the name will be HSW1 underscore toggle. The unique identifier and the image file name fields will automatically change according to the name that I have given the symbol. Both the symbol image file and the symbol file itself will be stored in different directories. The directories are shown here. The image file is what is used by the icon menu when you wish to insert the new symbol. Adding symbols to the icon menu is covered in a different tutorial. For this exercise, we will insert the symbol into the current open drawing so that you can see what it will look like as an inserted symbol. I will place the symbol on a wire so you can see how it breaks the wire. The Edit Component dialog box will appear. I will go to the component lookup and find a part number for a switch and select it. I have created a new schematic parent symbol and inserted it into the schematic. Now we need to create the child symbol. Follow the previous steps to launch Symbol Builder, except this time we will select the horizontal child from the drop-down. Select the same geometry used for the parent symbol and select OK. Note the different attributes in the attribute palette. Some attributes are the same, but there are also fewer attributes listed. Some attributes should be on all symbols, like Tag 2, Description 1, Description 2. The other attributes are optional, though useful, like Description 3, Ratings 1 through 10, Color, and State. We will add our termination attributes. Now we will place the link attribute a little above the insertion point of the child symbol. The link attribute is what we will attach a link line to when connecting the child to the parent. Now we can delete the guide cube lines from the symbol. Once all of the edits and additions have been made, it is time to save the symbol. Select Done from the Symbol Builder ribbon tab. The naming symbol follows a specific format. In this case, we are going to give this symbol the same name as the parent symbol, with the exception that we will be using the number 2 instead of 1. In this case, the name will be HSW2 underscore toggle. The unique identifier and image file name will automatically change according to the name I gave the symbol. Again, the symbol file and the image file will be stored in the directories shown. For this exercise, we will insert the symbol into the current open drawing on a wire so that you can see it break the wire and see how it relates to the parent symbol. The Edit Component dialog box will open. This time we will select Parent Sibling button and then pick the parent symbol inserted in the drawing earlier. Note how the dialog box fills in information from the parent symbol. If the child symbol has been placed where a link line connection to the parent is not practical, then the reference text would remain visible on both symbols, indicating where they are both located. The parent symbol will show the reference of where the child symbol is located, and the child symbol will show the reference to where the parent symbol is located. If you draw the link line between the two, the references will disappear. I have created and inserted a new child schematic symbol and associated the symbol with the parent symbol. This concludes this tutorial.